This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable extensions to run in a private window on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Microsoft Edge web browser open now. To enable extensions to run in a private window, you want to go up to the three-dot hamburger menu in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it. Then you'll go down to where it says Extensions and click on that. Say that I wanted AdBlock to run in a private window. I'd go over to the three-dot hamburger menu next to it. Click on that. Then I'll go all the way down to the bottom and click on Manage Extension. Right in this area right here, allow in private window. If you select this option, your browser history may be recorded. Edge cannot prevent the extension from saving your browser history even in private window. You would just check this box right here, and now that extension will run in private window. Thanks for watching.